Good morning, children. Today we will discuss question answer of chapter 6 Measurement and Motion. D. Yesterday I had explained A, B, C. Today we will discuss D. First question is, how does measurement help us in our day-to-day life? Its answer is, measurement plays an important role in our life. Proper measurement are very important in our day-to-day life. We cannot manage just by guessing about the different quantities. For example, suppose Mala's tailor wants 1 meter of cloth for her dress. If the shopkeeper gives the cloth just by guessing, it may turn out to be less or more than the tailor's requirement. So finally may or may not be possible to make her dress. This is the answer of question number D1. Come on children, question D2. Which type of watch is used to measure the time interval in a 200-meter race? Children, here a stopwatch is used to measure time interval in a 200-meter race. 3. When do we consider an object to be in motion? Children, its answer may be, we consider an object to be in motion when its position changes with respect to its immediate surrounding. With respect to its immediate surrounding. Come on, question number 4, D4. Name the different types of motion and give one example of each. 3 different types of motion. Children, you may write any type of motions which is given in your book, but I have written 3 types of motions in my answer. You may write what you want. First motion, रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो मैं बोलूँ वही आप लिखो, आप कुछ अदर टाइप ऑफ मोशन भी लिख सकते हो. रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन, साइकिलिंग डन बाय चाइल्ड ऑन ए स्ट्रेट रोड. दिस इज वन एग्जाम्पल. सेकेंड, कर्विलिनियर मोशन, मोशन ऑफ द टिप ऑफ द पेन वाइल राइटिंग. थर्ड, पेरियोडिक मोशन, motion of minute hand in a clock is the example of periodic motion. Your next question is, state the difference between a periodic and a non-periodic motion. Children, in this type of question, आप क्या करोगे? You must draw a line between periodic and non-periodic motion, and then you write down the difference between point wise. First point, periodic motion. A motion is said to be periodic if it repeats itself after a regular interval. This is called as periodic motion. Non-periodic. A motion is said to be non-periodic if it does not repeat itself after a regular interval of time. This is the definition of periodic and non-periodic. Example of periodic motion. Motion of earth around the sun. Second example. Motion of the hands of a clock. Come on, non-periodic motion examples. Movement of lips. Motion of a ball. These 2 are the examples of non-periodic motion. Okay, thank you children.